Take a close-up look at our custom circular soft PVC rubber patches, specifically engineered for police, security, and outdoor enthusiasts. These patches are built to withstand the toughest environments while maintaining a sharp, professional appearance. Tactical circular design, a classic 3.0 or custom size round shape, perfect for sleeves, vests, tactical hats, and backpacks. 3D micro-injection details. Every line and logo is crisp, raised, and features a premium tactile feel. Heavily-duty Velcro backing, equipped with a high-strength hook and loop system, male and female sides for secure attachments. And quick swaps. Mission-ready durability, 100% waterproof, weather-resistant, and won't fade or crack under extreme heat or cold.